Welcome back, art scholars. It's Miss Alfaro. Well, today we're going to be introduced to Flemish Baroque art. I'd like to introduce you to Sir Peter Paul Rubens. Peter Paul Rubens was a Flemish artist and diplomat from the Netherlands. He's considered one of the most influential artists of Flemish Baroque tradition. What does Flemish Baroque mean? Well, I'll tell you. The word Flemish means belonging to the region of the Flanders or the Northern European people. Flemish is the language spoken in Belgium. Baroque art has a style that exhibits great drama, rich, deep colors, intense lighting, and dark shadows. Let's take a look at an autumn landscape created by Peter Paul Rubens. He probably painted this piece in 1636. Well, what draws the viewer's attention is the perspective in which we are viewing it. The viewer is looking down into the landscape. It seems to bring us right into the painting. What we also see are the pastel bands of color. At the bottom of the composition, we see a reddish-brown band. We do see a strong accent of red from the lady's blouse. We believe she is probably on her way to the market. If our eyes look up a bit, there's a transition to pastel greens. We also see darker greens, which represent the shadows of the trees. If we look past the horizon line, we see a hazy blue band of color representing the sky. We can tell this is in the early morning because the sky is golden. Within the 1600s, it was uncommon to see landscapes painted. Artists of the time would generally paint portraits or still life. Well, for today's assignment, you're going to need your sketchbook and a pencil. You're also going to need some form of color, and that could be colored pencil or watercolor. Before doing the art project, I'd like for you to do a little bit of research on Flemish Baroque landscapes. You're going to be creating your own landscape in your sketchbook. I want you to include the following: the horizon line, shading, color, and detail. Don't forget to draw objects that are small so it looks like it's far away, and large objects to make them look closer to you. When applying your color, be it watercolor or colored pencil, make sure that you incorporate degrees of light to dark. Have fun with this!